So, as promised, folding a bag. 101. Step 1. Have a bag. Yep. Check that your bag can be turned. This one can. This is a Tesco bag. Other bags are available. Just checking whether or not it's better to fold this in 4 or fold it in 3. I might do this one in 3 actually. Alright. So get your bag, fold it over a third if it's a bigger bag, fold it in half if it's a smaller bag. And then just push all the air out of it like that. That's right, make sure all of the air is out. It's flat now. See? So, grab it in the middle, fold over diagonally so that you have a right angle. Okay? And then what you want to do is make sure that all the air is out and then get this bit in the middle and flip it over like that. And then you've got like a kind of triangle-y sort of hinge in the middle. Flip it over again and then just do the same, folding that other bit back on itself. So now you're left with a square. And then the square can basically be tucked into the triangle corner to make a triangle. And you have made a triangle, which is pretty good. Check all the airs out of it. Lovely. You can stand it up. It won't stand up. This is a bad triangle. The end.